Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add paper money to Cash App. So for that you need to open up your Cash App and then you need to hit up to the home screen. The option is on the bottom left hand side screen. Just click on it and after that you will be able to see more options over there. After scrolling it will show a black screen due to security reasons, as Cash App doesn't allow one to record this screen. And in the more ways to add money, you will be able to find this option of paper money. Just click on it and after that you will be shown different locations on your map, the 7-Eleven stores where you can just walk up and deposit the money, and that amount will be shown in your Cash App after that. The transaction fee might be up to $1, so make sure that you know it all before doing these transactions. And this is how you deposit paper money to Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.